Most people don't know this about PMOs, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. PMOs don't help deliver projects. They just report them beautifully. You've seen it. Perfect PowerPoints, perfect RAG statuses, perfect formatting. But here's the twist. All that perfection does nothing to move the project forward. And the crazy part? PMOs are mainly measured on reporting accuracy, not delivery impact, not removing blockers, not enabling decisions, just reporting. So basically, the machine optimizes for what it's rewarded for. Beautiful reports and messy execution. But that's not even the real issue. When leaders see a polished report, they assume the project is healthy, even when everyone doing the work knows it's not. That's how delays hide in plain sight. I used to think PMOs were the engine of execution, but they're usually just the camera crew documenting the crash. But here's the part that gives hope. Great PMOs do more than report. They remove friction. They unblock teams. They make decisions faster. They help work actually move. That's the difference between a slide factory and a delivery partner. Save this video for your next project meeting. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. Till then, keep learning, keep leading, and most important, keep believing.